You are looking at the castle in the city of Croatia called Varazdin. Varazdin's a city on the Drava River in northern Croatia. It's known for its Baroque and Rococo architecture, including the 17th century Srmaj Palace, displaying Croatian and international old masters and modern paintings. So it is a rather chilly but pleasant morning here in Varazdin. It is actually the 1st of December 2018 as I start this video, and you can see that they're setting up for what's going to be an ice skating rink and I'm sure a Christmas market. And I'm going to spend some time and do what's called a walk and talk video and bring you through the old town of Varazdin and just kind of walk through. I have a map with me, and as I walk through, I'm going to point out some of the items that I see on the map and share them with you. So let's go explore Varazdin. I always have a hard time pronouncing these names. All right, so continuing along, I think I got my bearings. Here is the tourist office, and that was one of the markers on the map that I was looking for. And just across from that office, they've got these benches here that are welded, different tools. I'll let you just take a look at that for a moment. Look at all the different pieces that they welded into this bench. And then here is just over here is a chair. Look at this. Quite interesting. And yet another bench. And then if I'm reading the map correctly, looks like here is the shop where you might actually get that done. Maybe that's a auto mechanic, perhaps, who knows. But if I'm reading this correctly, just past the tourist office is a spot which is the Podovich house. The Podovich house. And then after the Podovich house is the square of traditional crafts. So, all right. And then you have a large church just across the way there. And somewhere we have a museum of angels. And here's somebody selling. Looks like they're selling hats. You can see. Look at this. You want to buy yourself a nice hat. Okay, and there's your hat maker, just stepping into his shop there. We'll continue on and see if we can't find that museum of angels. And if I look at the map, just up on the next stop, they have the palace. The world of insects is coming up. And then they have a Franciscan church and monastery up ahead as well. Let's give you a view of the street. My mom's not around, so I can walk in the street. She'd be saying, "Get out of the street." All right. So let's continue on with the tour. I don't know that I'm going to be quick to go into the Museum of Insects, but Here's a building here. This is the Franciscan Monastery right here, interestingly enough. These places all run together on the map. But look at this. Franciscan Monastery. Very nice. Maybe every now and then they have a pancake breakfast here. Okay. All right, let's go see some of the rest of the town. All right, so we're back, and you know, these young ladies here, I was asking them, where is the Santa Claus church? Something, St. Nicholas Church. And I asked them, they said, what are you doing in Croatia? And I said, I am doing YouTube videos. And they said, can we be on the YouTube video? Yeah, they said, we want to be stars. We want to be stars on the YouTube video. So, anyway, is this your hometown? Is this where you were born? You were born here?
Yes.
No? You were born here?
Mm-hmm.
It's a very nice place.
Oh, we don't think so.
You don't think so?
No.
Have you been to America?
No.
No, you
No.
haven't been to America?
No.
Okay. But anyway, where is all the snow?
It was last week. Yes, but
It snowed last week?
yeah, yes.
Okay. Anyway, so, and I also understand that there is a Museum of Angels here.
Yes, yeah.
Is that nice?
Yes, yes.
Would that be nice on YouTube?
Yes, probably.
Okay, so we'll go do the Museum of Angel tour also. Now, where is the, didn't your mother ever tell you, do not walk in the street? Look at you three ladies. You're walking in the street. Okay. So
That's
where
how we do
is
it in Croatia.
that? Okay. So, you know, maybe tomorrow or the next day, you go on YouTube and search, how do you pronounce the name of this town?
Varazdin.
Varazdin Old Town Tour. You just
Okay.
search that on YouTube, Varazdin Old Town Walking Tour, and you'll see yourselves on there. You're going to be stars. Okay, you're going to be discovered, just like Justin Bieber was. You know. All right. So is the Santa Claus Church up ahead here? Did we go past it?
You turn left, and
We're
you
gonna-
will see it. You go right.
And you go straight.
Okay.
And you'll sit.
Well, thank you. I say dobro. How do I say thank you in Croatian?
Hvala.
What?
Hvala.
Vala?
Hvala.
Vala, something like that. All right. All right. Have a nice day. I rounded the corner from where the young ladies told me to turn, and there, I believe, would be Santa Claus or St. Nicholas Church. And there is a lot of folks set up here for Christmas fair. You can see selling Christmas decorations and what have you. So somewhere up here is the Museum of Angels, and I'm going to see perhaps if I can't stick my head in the church here of St. Nicholas and see what's inside. Here's a view of the church from the side as I'm going along looking for the entrance. It's a rather large church, that's for sure. As luck would have it, it is open, and it says the Baroque church consecrated to Bishop St. Nicholas, St. Patron of the town, was erected in 1761 in the place of a former one. Varazdin constructor Marta Meyerhofer started the construction with Adam Poch finished. Remains of the old building and the town's coat of arms were built in the 16th century Gothic parts of the tower. So let's go step inside and I can show this to you. The lighting is not the best. It's, well, they just closed the door on me. And I don't know if I can actually go inside. Just a moment ago it was, oh, here, maybe I can. Let's see if I can show you some of the inside of this church. Looks like they're cleaning the church right now, but nonetheless I can share some of it with you. It sure is beautiful. Look at this. The Church of St. Nicholas. So it's Baroque architecture. Look at that. I'm having to play with the camera a little bit, but nonetheless you can see a nice shot. The way that my camera is situated is I have a, what many of you know is a dead cat which covers the microphone, and that actually sometimes turns the monitor in the back off, so the camera may be actually running but you can't see it. Look at that. Beautiful. Alright. And here is a, look at that. Is that nice or what? Okay. They're actually cleaning the church as I give you this tour. And here would be the altar. Look at that. I'm sure Sam is sitting there in his big easy chair right now with that cigar sticking out of his mouth, saying, "Tommy, what a great video this is." Look at that. And Skip Smith is saying, "Screw this, I'm switching over to Netflix." All right. So let's continue on with the tour of Varazdin, and see if we can't go find that angel museum. I have found my way back out into the old town, and I am looking for the Museum of Angels, but I found what appears to be the main street. And here's a gentleman that not quite sure what he is doing, but he doesn't want his photo taken. But he's got a smiley face, but he's a little bit shy. So you never know who wants to be on camera and who doesn't. So we'll see if we can't find this Museum of Angels to wrap up the tour. All right, I was told I'm really close to the Angel Museum, and I thought I'd share this with you as I go down the way. I would imagine that come this evening, and as we get closer to Christmas, that this place is going to be a little bit more crowded than it is here on this Saturday morning. But nonetheless, it's still very, very nice. And I'm not sure what they're serving up in these. Oh, it says pop ice, whatever pop ice is. So all types of goodies. I'm sure you can order up here. I don't know. Okay. Let's go see if we can't find the. See if we can't go find the Angel Museum. The little hats there. Okay. There's a train for the little ones. Today is the first day of my tour of the Christmas markets, the launch, if you will. And it's going to take place in Zagreb. And here they have, what do they have up here? Have a place you can pose on a sled. Look at this. See? People going up and getting their picture taken. Alright, let's go find the angels. Alright, and wrapping up this tour of Old Town of Varazdin, I find myself at the Angel Museum, and as luck would have it, the museum is open. Not only is it open, they were quite embracing as I stepped inside and asked them if I could come in and do a video. So we're going to take you on inside to the Angel Museum and show you. So they have all types of. Let's take a look here at the Angel Museum. All right. Very nice. Kind of an interesting little museum that they have here. Just somebody's collection of angels. You're going to collect something. You know, what better to collect than angels? So, all right. Trying to remember, I was at a museum somewhere, and actually it would have been Zagreb that I was at at that museum sometime back. I think it was the Museum of Broken Hearts, and now I find myself at the Museum of Angels. So there you have it, folks. Hope you enjoyed this tour of the old town of Varazdin, Croatia. Have a wonderful, wonderful day.